Hello guys, welcome back to Pharma Palette. Today we will be discussing about the another classification of pharmacology which is the alpha adrenergic blocking drugs. So these alpha blockers are not tough if you know the tricks. So let's get started. So these alpha adrenergic blocking drugs are divided into two main classes. In that the first one is the non-equilibrium type and the second one is equilibrium type. So the non-equilibrium type is irreversible and the equilibrium one is one of the competitive antagonist and it acts reversibly. In non-equilibrium type, we just have one single class which is beta haloalkylamine and it has one drug which is phenoxybenzamine. Now, how do you remember this drug and class? So first, beta is a person, alkylamine is another person. So beta called alkylamine and said, hello, I need a permanent break, where PB means phenoxybenzamine. So like this, you can remember this. Now coming back to the second class which is the equilibrium type. So these are divided into three classes. In that the first one is in alpha 1 selective, the drugs will be ending with the term zosin. So anything which ends with zosin comes under alpha 1 selective. To remember its starting names, al, tar, dox, ter, pra. Just remember these. So alfuzosin, tamsulosin, doxazosin, terazosin and prazosin. All these drugs comes under alpha 1 selective. The second class is alpha 2 selective. Just remember yo him 2, which means the drug is yohimbin. Only a single drug in the alpha 2 selective one. And the third one, which is non selective, it is further divided into four different classes. Now, let's discuss all the four. So the third class is the non-selective. These are divided into four classes. In that the first one is ergot alkaloids. Ergot alkaloids has all the old natural drugs which is ergotamine and ergotoxin. And the second class is hydrogenated ergot alkaloids. The word itself says that hydrogenated. So it has dihydro molecule in it. So dihydroergotamine, dihydroergotoxin. So just add dihydro to the ergot alkaloid drugs. And the third one is imidazolin. Imidazolin and the fourth one is miscellaneous. Third one is imidazolin, fourth one is miscellaneous. For both the classes, just remember phone call, where imidazolin means phentolamine, miscellaneous means chlorpromazine. So this is the entire alpha adrenergic blocking drugs classification with simple tricks. So alpha blockers are no big deal, just a handful of names with simple logic. So if this made your preparation easier, hit the bell icon, like the video, share and subscribe for more pharma palette tricks.